Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell cryptocurrency assets on your crypto.com mobile app. First step being that you've opened up crypto.com. You simply click on the sell icon, which is right here. Once that has been clicked on, you select the token you'd like to sell. You select the token you'd like to sell, which is going to be Ripple. You click on Ripple, and we're going to be selling our Ripple to USDC. But in this case, you could use any cryptocurrency assets. It doesn't really have to be Ripple, or it doesn't really have to be any of these cryptocurrencies right here. But this is the cryptocurrencies Ripple can be traded off for. So you click on this drop down right here and select the amount of Ripple you'd like to use. That's 2.94. We'd be converting our Ripple to Bitcoin. So you enter the max, you click on sell, and we're going to be selling our Ripple for Bitcoin. You click on sell 2.94 XRP. You're given 15 seconds. You click on confirm. You enter your passcode, and boom, the sale has been completed. Your XRP has been converted or swapped or sold to Bitcoin. You click on continue or tap anywhere to continue. You head over to accounts. You click on the drop down right here, and you can see that we still have Ripple for $1.50, which is now being converted into Bitcoin BTC, and boom, Bitcoin for $1.47. You can see the procedures we took to get this XRP to Bitcoin. So here it is. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can sell cryptocurrency assets on crypto.com, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.